Welcome. In this video I will show you how to reset Smart Hub on your Samsung The Frame TV. First of all, open the settings from the sidebar, then go to All Settings menu. In All Settings, navigate to Support section and open it. Then select Device Care. Open the Device Care menu, then let your device perform a quick check. And now navigate down to Self-Diagnosis and open this menu. And once you open it, you have to navigate to the last option, which is the Reset Smart Hub option. Select it, then enter your device's PIN code, and your downloaded apps, accounts will be reset. Basically all Smart Hub settings will be reset on your TV. So just enter your PIN code using this bar you see below this window. Enter it right here, and then press done, and the Smart Hub reset will be performed. It will take like a minute for it. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.